Greetings from Toronto. I'm Leon Kircik. I'm a clinical professor of dermatology at Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai, New York. And we are back to Toronto this weekend again. Welcome to Prism 2025. We're gonna have a great educational session for all our GP derms in Canada. And we have a bunch of sponsors for this very important and vital program for GP derm education in Canada.
So it's my second time attending Prism. Last year was as an audience member and this year as a faculty and presenter, and I feel really privileged to be amongst this group of 30 family physicians who are dedicated to treating skin conditions and to learn from some of the top dermatologists, not only from Canada but also from the US.
Hi, I'm Chuck Lynde, dermatologist in Toronto, one of the co-founders of Prism, a designed program for GPs with a special focus in dermatology. This is an excellent program run every year in the fall, covering all kinds of topics: acne, hand dermatitis, atopic dermatitis, psoriasis. Great learning for this particular group, and as I mentioned, specifically designed for this particular audience.
So Dr. Moussani, what do you think of the PRISM program?
I think it's actually a very good program that allows some of our colleagues who are practicing in areas that are underserviced to really get a chance to see some of the new drugs that are on the market, to learn new approaches to difficult cases, and I think it really adds to their toolbox. And you know, there was a lot of interaction, which I think was very valuable. You could see that they were interested in the topics that they wanted to learn, and it was a real pleasure to be a part of it.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you for being part of PRISM, and we hope to see you next year.
Thank you.
So Dr. Sauter, what do you think of the PRISM program?
I think it's a fantastic opportunity to further educate these physicians that are dedicated to the management of skin. And it's a wonderful opportunity for networking and for honing skills in these key areas of inflammatory disease to better serve people across the country.
Well, thank you so much for coming today, and we hope to see you at PRISM 2026.
Very much hope to be here.
Ciao, thank you again for attending Prism this year. What are your thoughts on the program?
Yeah, it's going really well. It's really nice to meet all family physicians who are interested in dermatology from all over the country.
Yeah, perfect. Would you recommend Prism for future GP derms?
I definitely would, yes.
Perfect. Well, thank you again for attending.
Thank you for inviting me.
It's a great lineup of speakers and topics, which is high value for both patients and the providers.
Thank you so much for coming today. I hope to see you in 2026 at PRISM.
Thank you.
Alors, nous sommes ici au programme PRISM avec le Dr Chamberlain de la Ville de Québec. Alors, Dr Chamberlain, comment vous trouvez le programme?
À date, c'est un programme qui est complet, extraordinaire. Du point de vue scientifique, les présentations sont superbes. Les dermatologues qui présentent vraiment couvrent l'ensemble de la science. Donc c'est très bon, c'est vraiment très bien.
Excellent. Ben, merci pour être venu.
Merci beaucoup.
Hello, I'm here with Chris Todd from Arcutis, one of our sponsors for Prism 2025. Thank you again, Chris, for being a sponsor this year.
No problem.
How are you finding Prism this year? How's your day going?
I think it's fantastic. I think the most important thing is the attendees, I think, are getting some fantastic education from some fantastic speakers, and we're really happy to be able to support it and provide this type of education to physicians in Canada.
Oh, perfect. Well, thank you so much for participating this year, and hopefully we'll see you for 2026.
Absolutely.
Dr. Lynde, thank you so much for being here with us at PRISM and for presenting. What are your thoughts about the program?
I think it's such a fabulous program. It's dermatologists sharing our knowledge with healthcare practitioners, learning about the skin and how best we can help our patients, especially those sometimes in our remote areas.
Thank you so much. We're here at PRISM with Emilio Presti, who is Director of Marketing and Sales for Cypher. Emilio, what do you think about the PRISM program?
I think this is an excellent initiative. To see this type of turnout for dermatology amongst the general practitioner audience is fantastic, and they're learning from some of the best in the country.
What would you say to other sponsors thinking of joining us?
Definitely, it's something to consider in being here. It's a high-level education, first and foremost. Secondly, you have great access to a variety of different types of physicians, and there's an opportunity to showcase your products and talk about the benefits.
Fabulous. Thank you so much.
Wow, Roxanne, you've outdone yourself again. This is a phenomenal program. I'm really impressed. The audience is really engaged, and they seem to really want to learn everything I was teaching them today.
Absolutely. And what would you say to any healthcare professional or general practitioner that wants to come to Prism next
I'd highly recommend it. They've got a great venue, excellent speakers, great chance for networking. This is an unbelievable opportunity, and you get to learn all kinds of neat pearls from, I'd like to think, really good dermatologists.
Absolutely. And what would you say to our sponsors?
Thank you to our sponsors for basically making this kind of event possible. I think it's so helpful to get this kind of learning as you're starting your career, or even if you're more advanced in your career, to have this kind of an opportunity to learn about the newest therapies. I mean, you're never too old for that, never too young. It's great for everyone.
Well, thank you so much, and thank you for coming to present today.
Absolutely. Well, I just want to say one thing. Prism. Remember it.
What a great opportunity to meet like-minded people, like-minded colleagues, and a great opportunity to learn new topics that we're trying to expand our scope in.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.